Hello everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 15 of How to Get Stuff Done. And we're continuing the series on productivity myths. So today is myth number 2, and today's myth is that some people are just innately unproductive and some people just can't be very productive. Well, that is definitely a myth. I don't know, I hope these birds aren't going to be too loud. You can see that they are at the bird feeder, they were at the bird feeder there, and they're pretty unhappy that I've come out to film here. However, I won't be very long, and then we'll let them get back to their dinner, and it looks as if we're going to get serenaded while I'm speaking here. Back to productivity. It is a myth. It is plain and simply a myth that some people just can never be productive, because everybody can really be productive. And the best resolution for a feeling of unproductiveness that I've come across is one that I came across recently, and it's 3 A's as identified by Dan Segal and presented by Casey Moore in a recent presentation to the Institute for Challenging Disorganization. And the 3 A's are awareness, acceptance, and action. So the awareness is coming to terms with what is standing in the way of you being productive. If you have concerns about procrastination or not getting things finished or just feeling that you can't get things done, can you bring your awareness to times when you feel that that situation exists and identify for yourself what is standing in the way of my not being able to be productive? Do I not have the tools? Do I feel that I don't have the time? Do I feel that I am not clear about what it is I'm supposed to be doing? Do I need some more information? Do I need some help from somebody else? Am I anxious and therefore not able to focus? Am I distracted by other priorities in my life? What is it that's standing in the way of whatever it is that you would like to get done? Once you identify that, the second A is acceptance. Accept the fact that I actually don't really know what the first step is, so I need to figure that out. Or I'm anxious, and if you're anxious, it's very hard to focus, it's very hard to concentrate. Can you accept the fact, well, if I'm anxious, I may not be able to have the focus or the concentration to get this thing done, the thing that I want to get done. So awareness is number 1, acceptance of what's standing in the way between you and getting something done is number 2, and that the third A is action. Action. What step can you take to mitigate what's standing in your way? Can you get the information that you need? Can you get the support that you need? Can you use some stress relief mechanisms to try and reduce your anxiety? Can you use a body double to support you if you're feeling anxious about something that you need to get done? Do you need to break down into more tasks? So whatever it is that's standing in the way, take action to mitigate that. And then I'm proposing a 4th step, and that is affirmation. Once you have made yourself aware and then accepted what's standing in your way and then identified what action you can take, I would like to encourage you to use affirmations to change your mindset from I can't ever be productive to yes, I can get some things done, or yes, I can get this thing done. Or an even better affirmation would be, I did get this thing done. Speak in the past tense so that your brain is moving towards already getting it done. So thinking that not everybody can be productive is a myth, and the myth bust is yes, with awareness, acceptance, action, and affirmations to change your mindset, you too can be productive. I hope that's helpful, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And maybe we'll just see what, where's this bird gone? Where is he? He's singing away up there. Oh, I've scared them all away. Oh well, maybe we'll see them tomorrow night. Bye-bye now. See you tomorrow.